Is it true that wearing tighter underwear can stunt penile growth? This, among many other questions, are often asked when it comes to the topic of penile growth. But what does science say about it? Let's delve into the facts and dispel the myths. Firstly, the growth of the penis is a natural biological process that occurs primarily during puberty, which typically begins between the ages of 9 and 14. During this phase, the body experiences a surge of hormones, including testosterone and growth hormone, which stimulate the development of male sexual characteristics, including penile growth. The primary driver behind penile growth is testosterone. This hormone is responsible for the development of the male reproductive system, and its levels increase dramatically during puberty. This hormone surge causes the cells in the penis to multiply, leading to an increase in both length and girth. As we delve deeper into the discussion, let's talk about the average human penis size. According to several studies, the average length of a flaccid or non-erect penis ranges from 2.8 to 3.9 inches, while the average length of an erect penis is typically around 4.7 to 6.3 inches. However, it's important to point out that there's a wide range of sizes, and these are just averages. In terms of girth or circumference, the average flaccid penis measures around 3.6 inches and the average erect penis around 4.6 inches. Again, remember that there's a considerable variation, and it's completely normal to fall outside these averages. Now, you might be wondering if size affects fertility or sexual prowess. The answer is a resounding no. The size of a man's penis has no direct impact on his fertility or his ability to satisfy his partner sexually. The key to a satisfying sex life and successful reproduction is not the size of the penis, but rather factors like communication, trust, and mutual respect between partners. So remember, size does not determine fertility or sexual prowess. It's far more important to focus on maintaining a healthy lifestyle, which ensures overall sexual health and function. Now, one might wonder, why does penile size vary so much among individuals? Well, the answer lies in our genes. Genes determine the baseline levels of hormones in our bodies, including testosterone, and thus play a significant role in determining penile size. Misconceptions about penile growth often stem from a lack of understanding about the body's natural processes. For instance, the myth about tight underwear stunting penile growth arises from the mistaken belief that physical constraint can impact the body's internal processes. However, the growth of the penis, like all other bodily processes, is regulated by hormones and genetics, not by external factors like clothing. Another common misconception is the belief that penile size can be increased through exercises or supplements. Despite the numerous products on the market claiming to enhance penile size, there is no scientific evidence to support these claims. Penile size is determined by biological processes that cannot be altered by external factors. To summarize, penile growth is a natural process that occurs during puberty under the influence of hormones like testosterone. This growth is primarily determined by genetic factors and cannot be influenced by external factors such as clothing or supplements. So the next time you hear a myth or misconception about penile growth, remember the science. It's our genes and hormones that determine penile size, not our underwear or the supplements we take. Understanding the science behind penile growth allows us to separate fact from fiction and dispel the many misconceptions that surround this topic. Many people often wonder if it's possible to increase penile size. Let's address this question scientifically. Firstly, there are penile enlargement surgeries. However, these procedures carry significant risks, including infection, scarring, and even loss of function. Secondly, there are devices like pumps and extenders that claim to increase size. While some may experience minor increases, these devices can also cause damage if used improperly, leading to issues like erectile dysfunction. Lastly, many pills and supplements on the market promise miraculous growth. However, there is a lack of scientific evidence supporting these claims. In fact, some of these products may contain harmful substances. In conclusion, while there are methods that claim to increase penile size, their effectiveness and safety are often questionable. It's important to have realistic expectations and understand that size does not determine sexual satisfaction or prowess. Remember, it's not about size, but about confidence, understanding, and mutual respect.